Hello, my name's Steve Mack, and this video is about New Zealand. I've travelled the world, there's some amazing places, and one of the questions I get asked regularly is tell me about New Zealand. So, I'm going to tell you a little bit about New Zealand. New Zealand is an island country in the southwestern Pacific Ocean. It geographically comprises of two mainlands, the north at the top and the south at the bottom, as well as Stewart Island at the base of the South Island and 600 other islands. New Zealand is situated 1,500 kilometres east of Australia across the Tasman Sea and has a population of 4.7 million of European descent. Like most places in the world, New Zealand is a westernised country, and it has houses, and it has motor cars, and we have electricity, and all the things you would expect. I live in Auckland, which is in the North Island of New Zealand. And, as you've probably worked out, I have the face for radio. That's right, I'd love to be a talkback host. In my day job, I work for the ambulance service. So, New Zealand, what's it made up of? Auckland is based at the top of the North Island, where 1/3 of its population lives. One of my favourite journeys is the trip between the North Island and the South Island on the Wellington Inter-Islander Ferry across Cook Strait. 3.5 hours and then 1 hour into the fjords at the top of the South Island through some very spectacular scenery. The New Zealand countryside is this beautiful bush. Look, don't get me wrong, we have flat bush, we've even got some desert in the middle of the North Island. It is beautiful, just as you can see here. Another fact in New Zealand is we don't have snakes, and we don't have any spider other than a whitetail spider that will harm you in any particular way. So no creepy crawlies that are found in most other countries in the world. So New Zealand is just a beautiful place to visit if you wish to go in the bush and have a look. Let's now travel down to the South Island. South of the South Island on the west coast is one of the most spectacular places in New Zealand, if not the world, Milford Sound. If you come to New Zealand, don't leave without heading down south near Queenstown to Milford Sound. I'll let the pictures do the talking for me. enjoyed those 5 minutes of New Zealand. That's Auckland, it's Cook Strait in between the North and South Island, and finally a destination must when you come to New Zealand, and that is the Milford Sound in the Fiordlands right down at the South Island. Stay tuned for more videos. Send me a like or feedback if you wish. For now, from New Zealand, tēnā koutou katoa. Goodbye.